How's it going, everyone? Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out this 5.0 Resto hood latch, as well as showing you guys how to install one onto your car, and of course, making sure your hood is still properly aligned. This hood latch from 5.0 Resto is going to be for the Fox Mustang owner out there who is replacing a latch that may no longer function the way it should, one that could be damaged or completely missing. This hood latch is built from premium materials to offer a factory-like fit and finish, and of course to ensure your hood is properly secured. The latch itself is constructed from metal and offers a durable black finish, which is going to offer a very long service life. The latch mechanism and mounting points are accurately placed so that you're able to install this into your car without any extra modifications. This 5.0 Resto hood latch is going to fit 1983 to 1993 Fox Mustangs, and in the box is going to be one 5.0 Resto hood latch. For this install, you will see the front bumper removed from the car. I did this so you guys can get a better understanding of what's going on. Now, you can probably get to this with the bumper still on the car, but it might be in your best interest to remove the front bumper. If you need to know how to do that, be sure and reference our video in the description. Once you unbox your new latch, you need to ensure that the mechanism is in the quote-unquote released position. You can verify this by simply pulling on the release lever. Go ahead and open the hood and support it via the prop rod. Loosen and remove the small 1/4" screw that secures the hood release cable to the latch. Go ahead and remove the two 8mm retaining bolts. Rotate the latch and then pass the release cable through the hold down loop. Insert the release cable into the new latch and then position it into place. Verify the latch is even and not at an angle. Then you can go ahead and reinstall the two 8mm bolts. Verify that the cable hold down bracket is properly positioned and then retighten the small 1/4" screw. At this point, you can close the hood and check the alignment. The latch assembly may have to be moved up, down, left, or right, depending on its current position. Pull the release cable and open the hood. Loosen the two 8mm bolts, and then move the latch in small increments in the direction the hood needs to go. Retighten the bolts, and then close the hood. You'll repeat these steps until your hood is properly aligned, and then you're good to go. Wrapping everything up here, guys, this hood latch from 5.0 Resto, it's a simple part. The build quality is exceptional, it secures the hood like it's supposed to, and it easily adjusts so that you can properly align your hood. Now, for the most current product availability and pricing, be sure and check out LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.